The word Makkah, what does it mean? What does it mean? Makkah, what does it mean? It was mentioned in the Quran in the word Bakkata. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions this word. When Nabi sallallahu alayhi wa sallam called it Makkah, Makkah comes from the word al-makku. And the word al-mak in the Arabic language means al-imtisas, to suckle, right? So if someone was eating a bone and he was sucking the meat of the bone, that in Arabic is called makka al-azam. And when the baby, when the animal is breastfeeding from the teat of its mother, then in Arabic they say makka al-fasilu dir'a ummihi, that the baby animal suckled the teat of its mother, Mak. And so as a result, Makkah was called Makkah because this is the land in which a person's sins are sucked away from him. The sins are removed away from him and they are taken away. Every step is a sin removed in At-Tawaf. And the kissing of Al-Hajar Al-Aswad are sins being vacuumed and sucked away from a person. And touching Al-Rukn Al-Yamani is also sins being removed. And moving from one place to another in the rituals of Al-Hajj are sins being removed. This is what Mecca is known for. It's like a massive spiritual vacuum that vacuums the sins and the filth of a person. So if you have bad habits and filthy habits and evil deeds that you have been upon for years and years and you don't know how to stop, and if you've given up and you've just accepted some kind of sin or some kind of bad habit in your life because you've tried many years and you've tried thing after thing and it's never ever stopped, then here's your solution. Mecca is the solution in where a person may put a stop to his bad habits and to his filthy sins and to his evil desires.